Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the order of Arabic alphabets. In the last two sessions, we just know and we learned about the all Arabic alphabets in different way. Today we are going to learn it in order. Inshallah, we are going to start. We are beginning. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Swad, Wad, Ta, La, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Ya. We have four more alphabets here. Lam Alif, Ha Ta, Ha, Hamza Alif. Alhamdulillah, now we are familiar with all the Arabic alphabets and its articulation, and also we just know the order of Arabic alphabets. May Allah bless us to learn more about the Islam.